Hey there, ladies and gentlemen, Jens Davidson here again. Cooking scrambled eggs in this skillet. I mean, if there was one way to demonstrate whether or not cooking eggs in a skillet is going to make them stick, this is it. Because they're cooked on here slowly, and so there's plenty of opportunity for them to stick. But it's not sticking. It's fantastic. And they look fantastic too. Just thought I'd post this because I was in the middle of cooking breakfast and figured this is going very, very well. So, as to all the folks that again are skeptical about whether or not smoothing your cast iron skillet is really effective, I think the verdict is in. Thanks for watching.